If you want to invest 25,000 rupees today, just log into Value Research Stock Advisor. Use a tool called Investment Planner in Stock Advisor. Choose one of the 3 portfolios that you like. If you are looking for aggressive return, choose the aggressive growth portfolio. If you are a stable, mature investor who is going to invest for many years and you want relatively stodgy companies, choose the long-term growth portfolio. If you want some dividend in between and a relatively stable growth experience, dividend-paying companies, then choose the conservative dividend growth portfolio. Once you have decided on which portfolio you want to take, what I suggest you do is input the amount of money that you plan to invest. And after that, you can choose one of the portfolio. It will give you a list of 10 companies with a number of shares to buy. And that is it. Go to your stockbroker, whatever it be, and buy your stock. So Value Research Stock Advisor generates a buy order every month based on the amount of money that you want to invest in your choice of portfolio that you like. It should be used if you plan to do a SIP in a growth portfolio. Use it every month. This is it. This is your own SIP machinery in a bunch of stocks. Once you have done this, don't try to rebalance your portfolio. As you keep doing this, the 10 recommendations that you get every month, many of them will be common. And over the next 1 year, 2 year or 5 years, you will end up with 20, 25, 30 stocks maybe. And that is not bad. Keep holding those stocks. Don't sell any of the shares that you have bought in the previous month. That doesn't mean that you have bought something and this month there is another set of 10 companies, or something has changed, so you should change your older one. No. Whenever there is a sell recommendation, we will tell you. Whenever there is a hold recommendation, it will stop figuring in the portfolio because that is not a stock worth buying any further. Hold will not be part of the portfolio and sell will be flagged to you, as a result of which in 1 or 2 years time you will have a very high quality diversified portfolio and which you will be keeping track of.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.